There are a lot of skip tracing options when it comes to wholesaling real estate, and it can be overwhelming. Which one should you be using? Well, what I want to do today is share with you my 9 years of experience going through every skip tracing platform. I've done over 4,000 wholesaling real estate deals to figure out which skip tracing platforms you need to utterly avoid and which ones you need to start using in wholesaling real estate. The truth is, there's a push and pull skip tracing. There's extremely high quality skip tracing at a really good price, and then there is slightly better skip tracing at a price that is like 20 times more, which just isn't worth it. It's like saying, what car should I drive to and from my job? Well, you can get a Honda Accord for $20,000, which is good gas mileage, or you can get a Ferrari 458 Spider. One's $20,000 and one's $500,000. And the Spider is a little faster. I mean, the 0 to 60 is twice as fast, but is that really going to be the most economical option for you? You can get to your job faster, but you're probably not going to live because those cars are really bad at their traction. But I'm not getting into that right now. And there's just some utterly terrible skip tracing platforms that are just overcharging you that I personally believe are really bad quality. In 2026, the game has changed for skip tracing, and I'm going to rank them from my A tier all the way to the F tier of which skip tracing platforms you should be using so you can have success in your real estate investing or wholesaling business. But before we get into it, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and let's break it all down. So when you're looking at this list, there are definitely a lot of options when it comes to skip tracing. And if you don't know what skip tracing is, it is the process of finding somebody's phone number or whereabouts. It's basically a detective's term. And the point is, if we can get really high quality data, if we're drawing for dollars, we're pulling a vacant property list, and we want to reach out to these people from emailing, calling them, or texting them, we need to get their phone number, right? You can get a list of all the vacant properties, but you need to go out here and get their phone number. And there's so many different options, and I compiled probably the most popular options out there. And I promise you, there are probably millions of skip tracing platforms. Anyone can make a skip tracing company. It's actually pretty easy. You just go to TLO and then you make an account and then you charge someone 20 cents. TLO charges you 5 cents. You make 15 cents profit, and anyone can do it with really no capital involved, really. But there's some that actually aggregate their own data. They're ones that actually get really great sources. And what I want to do is break them all down today. So let's start from the beginning and break down what I think of these platforms. And so let's start with the first one here. I'm just going to choose it from the middle. I'm going to pick PropStream, probably the most talked about software in the real estate space. They are absolutely amazing. I think PropStream's a great company. I'm probably going to give them a C tier. And the reason I'm giving them a C tier, which I'm going to explain, is not because of the quality of their skip tracing. It's the price to quality, which I think is the first thing we got to talk about here. Now, PropStream recently acquired Batch Leads, and I honestly think that was a good move for PropStream to do. They paid a lot of money for Batch Leads, and publicly, again, I'm not saying any private information, hopefully I'm not, but PropStream acquired Batch Leads for what I think, again, this isn't like fact, but I'm pretty sure they have a great customer base and they have some great engineers on their team, but also so they can get really good quality data. Now, Batch Data is a separate company. They didn't sell the data side, and honestly, that's probably one of the most valuable parts of Batch. So Batch actually aggregates their own skip tracing. They actually get their own skip tracing. They do it themselves. They actually do all the skip tracing in-house. Batch Data gives it to Batch Leads. Now, Batch Leads sold off, and the data side is actually not owned by PropStream, but I'm pretty sure they did some sort of deal where Batch Data is getting skip tracing to Batch and PropStream, and Batch Leads actually gets a B for me because I really like their skip tracing. I've heard some mixed reviews about it lately, but I think they're actually pretty good. Now, this is the important part. Batch Leads and PropStream have the same data. I'm pretty sure PropStream does claim they get their data from Batch Leads. If PropStream can go comment below. The CEO's got my phone number. If I am misspoken, then yes, I will definitely take back my words. I will tell you that from everything I've seen, Batch Leads is going to have the same skip tracing quality as PropStream. And if you look at the plans on both of them, you're going to see kind of why I am preferring Batch over PropStream here. Not from the data, I'm talking about skip tracing. But if you look here on PropStream for 99 bucks, you basically get a 7-day free trial and you can export 25,000 properties, which is great. But the issue is there's no skip tracing with the $99 plan. But with the Pro plan here on PropStream, it doesn't tell you how many lists you get. This little icon doesn't tell you if it comes with skip tracing or not. I'm assuming you get 50,000 skips. Hopefully you get that much. You'll probably get some great skip tracing included with this. Now, I'm not 100% sure if it's the same skip tracing. I'm pretty sure since they acquired them, it should have the same skip tracing. But for $199 for 50,000 is an okay deal. Like, it's not the craziest deal in the world, but honestly, it's not bad. Like, that's the standard. Like, if you're gonna pay $199, you should be be getting free skip tracing. And honestly, props to PropStream doing that. But what I think is probably a better deal is for like $120 a month on batch leads powered by PropStream, you get 10,000 skip traces included, which honestly is not really a terrible pricing, especially with the quality you get. So batch is good quality, PropStream's good quality. I don't really have anything bad to say about them. So honestly, because I think batch is just a better value right now, I'm gonna put that at a B and then C for PropStream. Now, the next one I want to talk about here is cyber background checks. Cyber background checks is an A tier. It is a free skip tracing platform. The issue again with free skip tracing is it's very manual. You have to do one at a time. If you're gonna go out here and skip trace 2,000 properties, it'll probably take you 20 hours to do, which is ridiculous. But if you have no money, it's awesome. Cyber background checks, you can definitely get somebody's information really well. Next here is going to be Skip Genie. Skip Genie is actually what I've heard really high quality skip tracing, but they're going to be straight in the D category for me. But if you look at their pricing, they charge $58 a month for 100 skip traces, which I think is an absolute terrible thing. I mean, it's like 58 cents a skip trace. I think that's ridiculous. And then 17 cents after that, which is already an atrocious pricing model. I mean, if you pulled a list of, let's say, 10,000 people, you're going to be spending on average probably $1,741 for a list of 10,000, which you should be doing every month for calling or texting. So would you want to spend $1,700 just for data? Like, that's crazy. Like, you could go to, again, for example here, batch for $129 and do that. So yeah, absolutely ridiculous. Do not recommend that. And that's the problem. There's a lot of these services where Skip Genie probably has higher quality skip tracing than batch most likely, but the cost is incredible. It's like saying, is a Ferrari 458 a better car than a Honda Accord? Again, the question isn't which one's faster, because obviously the Ferrari is faster, but which one's a better value for somebody? That's just what I'm looking at here, right? And of course, if you're a crazy rich guy and you want the highest, craziest quality, go Skip Genie. But for value, I can't have it there. Skip Matrix is another one. I've actually heard really great things about Skip Matrix, and I'm really going to put them at a C. Not a big fan, again, of their pricing. They got pretty high quality, about 15 cents. They go all the way to 10 cents, which is, I guess, okay. But if you have a list of, let's say, 20,000 people, I mean, it's going to be $2,600. I mean, that's ridiculous too. Should probably put that in a D category, but honestly, I'll keep them on C. The next one here is going to be Deal Machine. I think Deal Machine is actually a great software. Again, if you go to dmzach.com, you can go and sign up for Deal Machine. They always have a special place in my heart. I think they're an amazing software. I used them for a very long time. And Deal Machines actually improved their skip tracing over the past couple years. And I believe for $120 a month, you get 10,000 exports you get, which is the same as batch. But honestly, you do get the data and the skip tracing included, which honestly isn't a bad deal. So really 10,000 is not bad at all. So for skip tracing for $120, it's not a bad option. And definitely those two would be really good. Now, the next one here is going to be REsimpli. And REsimpli is actually a really good CRM. I mean, they're like a B+ CRM, but the problem is they're trying to get in the data space right now. And I've never heard anything good from it. And from my testing, it's just not the best quality skip tracing, but honestly, at least they're doing something. At least they're trying, right? So REsimpli is $200 a month, which is a tad expensive. But again, you get a CRM included for it, which is great. I think you have to pay for the e-signing if I'm not mistaken, but you're able to pull 10,000 skip trace records, which is actually pretty cool. Now you can search 10 cash buyers, which I don't even understand that. And they have a bunch of upcharges right here. And you got to pay for extra users, and you pay $5 for a cash buyer, $4 a month for a phone number, which again, I'm not getting the dialing. You got to pay $1 for the e-signing. The SMS is actually terrible price. Honestly, I mean, the free skip tracing is pretty cool here, and I got really nothing bad to say about it. You get 10,000 skip traces for $199, but you got to remember, it's not just about having skip tracing, it's about having good quality. And honestly, their quality is not crazy from the data side. I think their CRM is actually really great quality, and so shout out to REsimpli about that. But their data quality, they have list pulling, they have skip tracing, and it's kind of brand new, and I think they're getting used to it. I think they're going to make some great improvements in the future, but right now it's not that good. That's why it's under a C. It's just priced below. I mean, $199 for 10,000 skip traces just isn't a good value. Now, REsimpli does it because they have a CRM included and all these things, and it's kind of like close to all-in-one as you can get. Again, they don't have a couple things on here, but honestly, C tier, you get a CRM with it. That's pretty cool. Next here is PropWire. That goes straight into the F category, as in And really the only reason I'm putting PropWire on the F category is because legitimately nobody uses it. And I'm saying that in like the nicest way possible. So if I want to go and look up Deal Machine, for example, and just search Deal Machine skip tracing, there's going to be people talking about how they use Deal Machine for their skip tracing, right? Like there's legit real estate investors that use it. I mean, there's a bunch of articles and people posting every single day about which skip tracing, XLeads, this software, all these things. Like XLeads has a million articles about, hey, I'm using it for skip tracing. And they ask, what do you guys think about it? And if you look up PropWire Gold, so obviously no one's be paying 15 cents for skip tracing. They will use PropWire Gold. So I actually had to tell people about PropWire Gold. But PropWire Gold is going to be the software for about $119 a month to get 10,000 skip trace records, which actually is not a bad deal. But the problem is if you look up PropWire Gold for skip tracing, you don't find anything. Here's one, these articles about PropWire, but no one talks about the PropWire Gold because I'm assuming the PropWire Gold skip tracing is different skip tracing than the actual one. And the crazy part is you literally search PropWire Gold skip tracing and nothing comes up. There is just articles about PropWire, but nobody talking about using PropWire Gold for skip tracing. And I have a lot of wholesalers that I know. And I ask them, and this is just my general vicinity, right? We have 63,000 people in my free real estate wholesaling school group and over 160,000 people in my Facebook group. And I always ask, like, what skip trace do you guys use? And people say, I use Batch, I use Deal Machine, I use XLeads, I use REsimpli. But legitimately, out of 160,000 people, there's nobody who's making 100K a year that sits up and says, I use PropWire Gold. No one talks about it. I'm in these message forums. I mean, all these Facebook groups. You don't hear about it. And if PropWire is a massive platform because it's free, but nobody is using the PropWire Gold, the next explains exactly what you should think about the quality of the skip tracing there. I think the Gold skip tracing is probably worse than the regular one and nobody's using it. Like nobody uses PropWire Gold for skip tracing compared to all the other skip tracing platforms. And I am on like article 3 and there's not many people talking about it. Like for example, this guy's talking about I spent $500 on PropWire, but that's before Gold came out like 3 years ago. There's like no one talking about PropWire Gold. But if I ask about REsimpli, there's a million articles about them. If I ask about XLeads, there's a million videos and articles and people talking about it. Batch, Deal Machine, all these things. No one talks about it, which I'm putting on F category. If no one's using it and it's already a popular platform, but no one's actually using the Gold part, that's all I got to say about it. And I had plenty of questions to Jerry about PropWire Gold, but I've texted him 3 times this year and he hasn't replied to me once. He just leaves me on red. So hopefully I can get an answer now. But yeah, True People Search, I love True People Search to death. I'm actually going to put it on a B tier. And the reason True People Search goes to the B tier category is because I just think cyber background checks is better quality. And then lastly, when it comes to XLeads, XLeads.com, it is clearly the best one out of all of them. And I'm trying not to be biased, but the reason I left XLeads for last, just so you understand my bias, I own XLeads. XLeads is my baby. And of course, I'm going to say XLeads is the best one, but let me explain. Just so we understand, I own XLeads, but it honestly is the best one. So pretty much my pitch here for XLeads is for $97 a month on the skip tracing side, you get 25,000 skip trace records for $97, which on that side is already amazing. On the quality side, it is on tier with pretty much all the other skip tracing platforms, which I have personally tested across the entire country. So for $97 for 25,000 with the same quality as everybody else, it's on a tier of its own because everybody else is $120 a month just for way less skip traces. On top of that too, it comes with an actual real CRM. So it's built on top of Go High Level, plus there's data. So you get the whole Go High Level, but you have a leads tab too right here where you can pull your lists and your data. You have skip tracing included. Every property there's phone numbers on. We have a Despo tab, so all the cash buyers have corporate skip tracing on it too. You get a dialer included, texting included. You don't have to pay for e-signing. E-signing's free. You get all these automations. I mean, it's clearly the best wholesaling software for $97. You can pull a probate list. We now have AI driving for dollars, which is absolutely insanity to me, and it's free. No other software has that. We have our AI lists, which nobody else really has. And really, you get it all for $97 a month, or annuals at $81. Plus with all the AI stuff we have. And texting is twice as cheap as anybody else. We got live Zoom support, live chat support. It's clearly the best wholesaling software and a drawing for dollars app. But that's me being super biased. So just to let you know, I would recommend if you get any of these, go to xleads.com. But you guys know my bias. Outside of that, I'll be real with you. If you're going to skip trace and you have no money, cyber background checks, truepeoplesearch.com is amazing. I think Batch is probably a great choice. I haven't seen Batch Leads' accounts post at all since they got acquired like 3 or 4 months ago. So I don't know what's going on there. Deal Machine's always a great option direction. DMZach.com is great there. PropStream's cool. That is listrei.com. And REsimpli is actually a good one. And then the rest I just avoid. I'd avoid Genie. I would not even look at PropWire's direction. And again, I know I said some mean things about the PropWire skip tracing, but I think PropWire in general is like a B+ software because you get it for free. Like, I love how it's free. So don't be mad at me, okay, for saying the bad things about the skip tracing. I think they can be improved very heavily. I'm not going to text Jerry a 4th time and be left on red. That's kind of dumb. But I think PropWire is a great software for the free data. But honestly, for the skip tracing, I would just utterly avoid it because nobody uses it, especially the gold. But overall, this is just my opinion, and this is my YouTube channel. So if you have another opinion, it's very valid. Please let me know in the comments. And if you didn't like what I said, be a man and text me or let me know in the comments. And if you liked what I said, let me know in the comments. Guys, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.